Dylan had left his Model 3 parked outside his home in Baltimore, Maryland, when it was struck by a white truck that also hit the Nissan parked in front of it. The driver got out and assessed the damage, and for reasons I'm sure you can guess, he couldn't even walk straight without leaning on Dylan's Tesla. Now, we can't confirm if the driver was drunk, as Teslacams don't yet have built-in breathalyzers, so technically, he's innocent until proven guilty in court. A passenger also got out of the truck, and they both stumbled around the wreckage for a while before the driver got back in the driver's seat. Even though the truck was jammed into the Nissan and had lost its front axle, he still tried to start it up and drive away. Obviously, this attempt wasn't successful. After several minutes of trying, they gave up and gathered their personal belongings before they tried to make a run for it. They didn't get far. After just a few feet, they fell into the grass, where they remained for about 20 minutes while they rolled around and scrolled on their phones. Done rolling and scrolling, they went back to the truck and tried again to drive away. Eventually, they gave up and returned to the grass, and that's when a passing police officer noticed the wreckage. Sadly, the officer missed them by just a few seconds after they walked up a small hill. The officer reported the incident and backup arrived. Dylan's Tesla wasn't recording the whole time, so we can't confirm if the two guys were still up on the hill at this point. The officers called in a tow truck, and Dylan and the other vehicle owners were notified about what had happened. Dylan provided the police with his Teslacam footage, and the owner of the truck was given 2 citations even after claiming he hadn't been driving. One for $280 for negligent driving, and another for $510 for reckless driving. After the damage to Dylan's Tesla exceeded $25,000 US, his Model Y was totaled. These guys are lucky only vehicles were destroyed by their actions. Please don't ever drink and drive.